Business owners, I am bringing you another grant opportunity today. For those of you that are new here, my name is Vivian Walton and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. Now, while typically I share anything and everything marketing related, we are living in COVID times. And so intermittently, I'm going to be sharing videos on funding opportunities that I find out there that are specific to business owners. All right, so let's jump right in and start talking about the grant opportunity that I want to share with you here today. Really quick side note here, you guys, subscribing to my channel will guarantee that you stay up to date with these funding opportunity videos. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to be sure that you get the latest and greatest information, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. This grant opportunity comes to us from the National Association for the Self-Employed, NASE. Now, the NASE, according to their website, offers entrepreneurs and small business owners a wide range of tools and resources to help them start and grow their business successfully. Now, if you're a business owner and you are not a member of the NASE, I recommend that you go to their website and you check out their membership benefits. Now, I took a look at them, and I'll tell you it's relatively inexpensive. You can actually join as an annual member for $120, and if you'd rather just do a monthly membership fee, then that's $11.95 per month. And of course, they also offer discounts for like veteran business owners. Now, here's the thing. The grants that they are issuing are called the NASE Growth Grants. And this is a rolling grant, so it doesn't have a specific deadline. You can apply whenever you want. The grants are for up to $4,000. Now, in order to apply for a chance to receive funding for this grant, you will need to meet the following criteria and qualifications. You must be a member of the NASE. You must have been a member of the NASE in good standing for 3 months. Now, I already know what you're thinking. You're saying, Vivian, I don't want to join as a member and then have to wait a full 90 days before I can even submit an application for this grant. Now, here's the thing. On their website, they specifically state that annual members may apply immediately, and monthly members will have to wait a full 90 days before they could submit an application for this grant. Now, if you ask me, my interpretation of that is that if you go in and apply for the annual membership, that you should be able to submit an application for the grant immediately. Now, I'll leave that up to you for interpretation as far as like how you want to go about submitting the application for that. But that is how I read the instructions as they are stated on the NASE website. All right, so let's talk about what goes into their selection process. According to their website, they state that they are looking for review of identifiable business need, detailed use of the proceeds of the grant, the potential of the grant to satisfy the identified business need, and the potential impact of the grant on overall business growth and success. They review grant applications every quarter, so we are in August. I forget what day we're in. We're in August of 2020, which means that they will start reviewing the grants in October of 2020. You have until the end of September to get this application in before they start to look at the grants. Now, in order to apply, you simply go to their website. I'll drop the link in the details below so that way you guys can reference it as well. Now, as with anything else, I strongly recommend that if you are interested in this grant, please, y'all, go to their website and read it for yourself. Do the research so that you know exactly what is recommended or needed from you and whether or not this grant may be a good fit for you. Hope you found this video useful. I'll be sure to keep my eye out for more funding opportunities, so I'll have another video ready for you guys next week on this particular topic. If you know a business owner that is looking right now for funding opportunities, feel free to share this video with them. I know that they'll probably certainly appreciate you thinking of them and also just forwarding information that's out there. If you have not already, feel free to follow me on Facebook or subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you guys can get notifications whenever I do release a new video like this. So I'll catch you guys here in the next couple days with a brand new Monday Marketing Minute. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.